You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this function, let's call it this writing from mathematics. If you want to learn more confusing expressions from science and maths, make sure to stay tuned. So that's, if you come across this in mathematics, it's a function and it's read as f prime of x, f prime of x, f prime of x. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.